Good morning, everyone. I am Professor Amit Jadhav. In last lecture, we have seen the list view, simple list view. In that, we create the list view and pass only one text view there. But now we are doing a list view. In that, we can merge different controls like image view, text view, and the list is a scrollable one. So for that, we create such type of application. In most of the application we see that images are there and along with the some text are there. For example, if you open the WhatsApp application, in that we find the images along with the text. So that type of application we are going to create now, not actually full application, we just design it using the list view. For that, first we create the new application with name custom list example. Okay, so in that we have a activity main.xml and main activity.java file. So first we design the list view here. We go through code. So instead of using constraint layout, here we change with the linear layout. So here we change with linear layout. Here also we change. Okay, then height and width match parent, and here we are specifying orientation, and that we required vertical. Okay, and then we required list view. So here I clear all these things, and we create the list view here with height and width match parent. We set as a match parent, and we specify the ID. List view. Okay, we close the list view, and as I told you in last lecture, in main activity we only create the list view, and the other items that we want to merge, for that we create the another layout. So here we create the another layout. So for that we right click on a app, click on new, and click on Android resource file. Here we change with layout, give it name as a row. Okay, and here we want the layout as a linear layout. I change it with the linear layout. All are remaining as it is, and click OK. So here you find the XML file is created. We go through code, and here we can design our page. Here linear layout come. It has a match parent, and height we want a wrap text or wrap content, sorry. And we are giving some padding here, 16 dp. In this we are going to set first image and then text. So here we start with the image view. So I find the icon with 75 height and width. So I set its height and width as a 75 dp. So here we set orientation. I change its orientation with horizontal. We set default image path. We are giving here src is equal to mipmap IC launcher. So here we find the IC launchers are there. So we give its path for the image. If the image is not displayed, it will display the default image. So here, before we close it, then here also we give some padding in all direction. So here we again start with the linear layout because we required image view and along with the text view. So text view is in a vertical order. So here I again take one more linear layout. Its height and width are match parent and wrap content. Here we set the orientation. So orientation is here we required vertical. First we set the text view. Height and width are match parent and wrap content. Then we give it text. So here we first give the main, then text style, bold, color, ash 000, that is black. Then we give some margin here. So it will keep some space between image and the text. So here we give the margin as a 5 dp. We give the text size 30 sp. And we give id to it. id slash text view 1 or text view main. Same text view we copy. Just change in id. Here we set it with the 20 sp. Margin per dp. Okay. And color, we change the color. Okay. So this is the hexadecimal code. Okay. So here we close the linear layout. ID we change, margin. Okay. And text view also get closed. So here we finish our designing. If you want to check, so here the image is there and two text views are there. Okay, so whenever we run it, you will find it comfortably. So it's here images are there and two text views are here. Image is here. So here we end the designing. If you see the design, it will look it. Here the image is. Here is the main text. And here is the subtext. I think we have to change its text. So here again we write the main. Here we write the description. Okay. So now I think it's look fine. Here we write the title and here the subtitle or the description. Main title. Okay. So here we end with the designing. Now we go to the main activities.java. So here we create the string array. So first for the title, I write here title and we create the array for it as we require the list. So in that we create Facebook, then WhatsApp, then third one is the Twitter, fourth one is Instagram, and fifth one is the YouTube. Here we give the semicolon, we copy the text, and here we write the description. So here we just add the text description to everyone. Okay. And for image, we create the we minimize it. So here we create integer images array is equal to. Here we give it the path. Before that, we have to save the images in appropriate folder. So here in drawable folder, we save all these images. I have already stored it on my desktop. I copy all and paste it in a drawable folder. So I right click here and paste. I select the folder and click on OK. So all Facebook.png, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, and YouTube, all the images are there. I just give it path here. r.drawable.facebook. Then r.drawable. Second one is the WhatsApp. Third one is the r.drawable.twitter. Then r.drawable.insta, comma r.drawable.youtube. Okay, and we close with semicolon. Again, we minimize this so that we can view the code. So here we first create an object of list view. So before that, we create the object of list view. List view. Okay. And here we assign with the find view by ID method r dot id dot. Okay. Then here we create one class m adapter or my adapter, because we need adapter to fetch the data from the array, and here we use the different array. Okay, so here my adapter extends from array adapter. Its data type is string. So here first context that we required. The class is not import, so press Alt and enter on it. So it automatically import. Then we require title. So I write here string or title. Then we require description. In description, and we require images. Our images. So images are in integer. I forgot it. Here we change with integer images. Are images. Okay. Then we create the constructor of it. So constructor, we all know that its name is same as a class name. So my adapter, and it required the above all parameters. Here context, for example, C. We required string, string title array, comma, string description, and integer images. Okay. It is also array here. And as we know that the constructor come along with the super method. So in super, we pass the C, then r dot layout dot the page from which we want to show its content, that is row, one parameter, r dot id dot text view one, and title. Okay. Okay. Then we make it, we assign it to the local variable. So this dot context is equal to the, then this dot our title is equal to here's title. This dot our description is equal to description. So I assign with the these variables, that is private one, and this dot our images is equal to here we close the constructor and we implement one method here of the class. Okay, we write it directly. Public view, get view. Yeah. Yeah. So all these are come automatically. We do not require not null here. So I remove that. In that we write some code. First, I'm going to write it. So here, first create an object of layout inflator. In last lecture, I think I explained you what is layout inflator. Is equal to in bracket layout inflator get application context dot get system service in bracket context dot layout inflator service. Yes. After that, we use the same code. Then we create the object of layout inflator. Then we use here row view is equal to layout inflator dot inflate in bracket r dot layout and that file name, that is we have created r dot layout dot row parent with parent here false. So we assign value to all. So image view control is equal to images is equal to row dot, because that are on a row layout, find view by id, and here we pass the id r dot id dot image. Let's check in a row. Here it is. The id of image is id slash image. Okay. Small. Okay. Then text view. My title is equal to same as it is, row dot find view by id r dot id text view 1. Same for one more text view. Here we use my description is equal to row dot find view by id r dot id dot view 2. Then we assign the text to it. So for images dot set image resource is equal to r dot r images in bracket position. Same for the my title is equal to my title dot set text r dot array name is r title in bracket position, and one more, my description dot set text in bracket array name, that is our description square bracket position. Here we have to call the adapter. After the list view, where we create the list view. So here we call the adapter. So my adapter is equal to new my adapter. Oh, M is capital here. my adapter, and in that we pass this comma m title, then m description, and one more images. And we set it to the list view. What happened here? Why list view? Oh, LST view. Dot set adapter. Here we pass the object from adapter. So let's see what happened here. Some errors are there in main activity. Here we find the error. Let's check it. Class or interface. Oh, so here some problem in curly bracket. So here we close. Yeah, one more. So now there is no error. We run the application. Here we get the output: Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube with their appropriate icon. Okay. So for that, here we first design the list view with width, height, and ID. We here generate one XML file. In that we design the image view, then text view, and one more text view. And in main activity.java, we create the list view and pass the items to it by create an adapter. Okay, so you can do it at a practical session, and if you find any difficulty, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. So here we end this session. Thank you very much for watching.